This is how you can assess and inform your child's leadership skills. Visit myio.world and click to sign in as a parent. Enter in your Skyward credentials, and that will log you into the platform. From the Family Feed landing page, select Train IO and click on the Leadership Attributes card. Select your child, and here you will see the 15 different leadership attributes that we can assess and track your child's growth in. To get started, select one. And here you'll see 3 different categories or levels of leadership: a leader of self, leader of others, and leader of change. Click the thumbs up if you believe that your child exhibits this behavior. Notice that there may be other thumbs up that are already given. Your child, your child's teacher, counselor, principal, any educator that your child works with has the ability to give your child a thumbs up to show that they exhibit that behavior at school. You can go back to select another attribute and do the same thing. When you give a thumbs up, it helps educators know the behaviors that you're seeing at home, and that will help us know what to look for while they're at school. Kids are also able to set goals for each of these behaviors, so talk to your child about an area that they might be interested in working in.